In this video I'm going to claim the grand rewards, like the event rewards here: Supercar Epic Chest, Offroader Epic and Supercar Champion. So let's do Supercar Epic Chest. And in this is Supercar excess wings, excess fume boost, excess wings, some fume boost, and excess afterburner and coin boost for Supercar with 24k coins and 1250 XP. Then we've Offroader Epic Chest, Offroader Heavyweight, 20k coins, Offroader Flip Boost and Offroader Landing Boost. And then the Champion Chest for Supercar. Well bro, what is this? 46k coins, 4000 XP, Supercar Magnet, a garage prop, and excess parts for afterburner and jump shocks. Bro, horrible fucking chests. I wonder in next event will there be those same chests again? Oh. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, there you go, that's it.